Well, doesn't that look the bee's knees? I've got the caps off because I'm going to knock some dents out of them. This wheel turns freely. On the other side it was a different story. It took me an hour to get the bloody drum off. You can see all the weapons of war there. It had seized on the shoe. The shoe's worn off completely at the bottom, so it was all rusty. So fortunately, because this has got a hole in here, I could fill it with I used crown rust proofing because that's all I had, and heated it and beated it. But I took the nut off here, and this is a good tip if you ever want to take anything like this off, because when you're beating the drum, when you're beating seized up things, you can move it further. If it's got the bearing on, you're kind of stuck, but giving it a bit of room, it'll move. It's in a bit of a state, isn't it? But then again, I'm not going to take this on the road, so it doesn't really matter, does it? I mean, as I suspected, 8-inch. What was 8 inches? No funny answers, please. But what was 8 inches? Wasn't it that? Was it minis, or were they 10 inches? This will be common. This will be really common because I've just sandblasted the snail cam here adjusted, and you old guys will all know about them. The spring had broken in two. But like I say, I'm not too bothered about brakes. I might not even bother putting them in. But it'd be nice to work, wouldn't they? Like on the parking brake. I don't know, maybe. But I'm just going to clear this up with a bit of a flap wheel inside here. Put the bearing on, get the wheel on, and get this moving out the way.